Hey, it's Bradley. Welcome back. On this channel, I do all sort of homebrewing related videos and projects. I really focus on Brewtools equipment, and for today's video, I have something pretty cool in store. Thanks to your support, I'm fortunate enough to have the one and only prototype in the brew house today. Let's jump right in and let's take a quick look at it. Research it, mash it, boil it, ferment it, drink it, analyze it, share it. Homebrewing is good. All right, so like everything Brewtools, this guy is of the highest quality. It's immaculate, and mine's just a prototype. I'm sure the production models will be even nicer. It's just laser cut to precision. The screen in it fits just so. Everything fits perfectly. It literally is something to behold. It's a shame I'm gonna get it dirty here in just a couple hours. It's a three-piece design. It has a stainless steel frame with a nice roll in it and some laser cut holes to kind of give it structure. It has a silicone piece that also has a guide in it for the center pipe to help you center it in your brewing system, whether that's a B40, B80, or the big boy, the B150. It's gonna be offered in three sizes: 320 millimeters or 12.6 inches, 420 millimeters or 16.5 inches, or 500 millimeters at 19.7 inches roughly, guys. So like I was saying, it also has a stainless steel screen. The screen, I have yet to test this guy. We're waiting on a double IPA brew day to do that, which I'm gonna start imminently. But the screen looks to be bigger than the Trub Trapper for sure, and there's another one on the market, I can't think of the name. It's nicely built, looks pretty good, but this one is just gonna be better for your Brewtools equipment and maybe even higher quality than the rest out there. But to disassemble it, it's really simple. You just pull off the silicone, undo the wing nut, and that will loosen the bolt. Undo the wing nut, and there's a bolt that goes through the stainless steel screen. You may find that the threads in the bolt kind of hook the screen. I used an Allen key and just twisted it out because I didn't want to damage anything. All these components should be pretty hard wearing, in my opinion. So it's super easy to take apart and clean. I honestly don't know if I'll be doing that a lot because I think I can just spray it out and it's gonna be just fine. But again, testing will determine the proper procedures there, at least my proper procedures. And reassembly is just a reverse of all those steps. The silicone, you do have to kind of work that on. It's the only thing that's time consuming. It's not tricky, it's not difficult, but it does fit precisely. So you have to stretch it and it'll take a few minutes, but it's by no means hard to do. It's honestly a very, very welcome addition to me. I currently use a Trub Trapper, and that device is, the screen in it is too small. It will honestly catch wart, and sometimes I want that little bit of wart. I need that volume in my calculations are that precise these days. The Trub Trapper has silicone top and bottom, but it's fused as part of it. You cannot take it apart. I can tell you from experience, this silicone does wear over time and starts to get brittle. I think it will reduce the longevity of this product. I don't even think it's available anymore. So I'm not gonna bash it. It did work for me for a while. It was better than nothing. But now there's a new Brewtools Hotness available, or soon to be available. It's definitely gonna be the one to choose. So when you go to install this in your kettle, obviously you're gonna have boiling hot wort in there. And I'm gonna show you just what it looks like in mine. Forgive me, mine's not perfectly clean. Last brew day I had stuff to do. But basically just drop it in. I'm gonna place it in gently and show you guys because I don't wanna drop it, because it seems like a bad idea, because there's no wort in there to slow it down. So who is this for? Honestly, I think it's for everyone that has a Brewtools brewing system. It's gonna help you collect trub and hops and make sure you're not transferring that into your fermenter. There's much debate, I think, on whether or not some of the trub at least might be beneficial. I personally really like to transfer crystal clear material because I think it's better and it makes me feel good. And at the end of the day, it's all about making me feel good. It's designed where maybe down the road you'll be able to buy the silicone separately or buy a piece of screen separately, or maybe a coarser screen or a finer screen. I don't know any of those details. That's just me. It's wild speculation. That's something I do sometimes. But the possibility is there to make changes or improve it, or just if stuff does wear out, guys. I mean, stuff doesn't last forever. Definitely stainless steel doesn't go bad, but that silicone over time may wear out. I'm sure it'll be long-lived and long-wearing, but it's nice to be able to change it down the road if you should mess it up somehow, operator error. Because this operator, I don't know about you guys, he definitely makes errors. As far as pricing, that is to be announced. I believe that they will be available the first part of next year, if not sooner. So like I said a moment ago, I'm going to put this through its paces over many brew days, but I'm planning a double IPA brew day, and that will be a full long-form brew day video, as long as it all works out. So stay tuned for that. That video is going to drop probably a few days after this one, I hope. Also be on the lookout for the Unitank videos, the F100. I'm fortunate enough to be getting an F100, so look out for those review videos and how to get it ready videos. I plan on covering it thoroughly and answering any questions. If you guys have stuff you want to see about this guy in the brew day video, comment below. Anything you want to see in specific about the F100, the Unitanks, let me know now early so I can make a list and answer as many questions as possible. All right, everyone, thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. I truly appreciate it. I appreciate all the comments and likes. It really keeps me going. If you guys want to support the channel, I have more beer affiliate links below, as well as Teespring, as well as some Amazon affiliate links. Those will help me and go straight to the channel. I put all that revenue, not that it's by any means a lot, back into equipment and lighting and stuff like that, not brewing related, just to try and bring my quality of the videos up. All right, guys. So thank you so much. Remember, this has been Bradley. Home brewing is good, and I'll see you real soon. Look, guys, it's a Brewtools hat. I don't know what it protects you from. But yeah, it's a new hat. It's badass. Ask the guys, tell them you saw Bradley with this bitchin' hat. Shit. Okay. Don't worry. Oh, sorry, guys, I broke your prototype bouncing it on my head. I thought it would be cool in a video.